Alright, so we're up and running. I actually have the hazard switch on. And we still have nothing. It's not even just bright and on. We still have nothing. This is with the resistors that the manufacturer has recommended. Everything. I'm curious to see, flashing today, so I'm sorry. It's late in the day, I'm getting tired. It's almost 5 o'clock. I'm at the point, because I've called them twice, and they said, oh, we'll have somebody call you back. Nobody's called me back. So I'm going to continue doing research. And I'm half tempted to put resistors in line to make them flash. And let's see where we go from there. I mean, everything looks great otherwise. They're looking good. But they're just not... It just ain't flashing. That's all I gotta say. It just ain't flashing.